Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. In this video, I am going to teach introduction of bookkeeping and accountancy. So first, let us understand the meaning of bookkeeping. Before understanding the meaning of bookkeeping, let us understand what is bookkeeping. So bookkeeping is a book that is maintained by the business for recording of transactions in an organized or proper manner. So transactions only which are related to business. So these transactions has to be maintained by the company or a business in a systematic order. So financial records or business transactions includes only those transactions which are incurred in the business. For example, when a company purchases any asset or when a company sells any goods to the customers or any kind of expenditure that is incurred for business related. So these are the transactions which are recorded in the books of accounts. So these expenditure that a business incurs has to be recorded on a daily basis in the books of accounts. Now let us see the meaning of bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is a systematic manner of recording transactions related to business in the books of accounts. In bookkeeping, transactions are recorded in the order of the dates. So all the transaction has to be maintained date-wise in the books of accounts. An accountant is a person who records the transactions in the book of the business, and it is expected to show the financial result of a business for every financial year. So an accountant is appointed by the company to record the business transactions on a daily basis in the books of accounts. A financial year in India is followed from 1st April to 31st March. Bookkeeping is an art as well as science. It is an art of recording day-to-day business transactions in the books of accounts in a scientific and systematic manner. Now let us see the definition given by R.N. Carter. Bookkeeping is an art of recording in the books of accounts all those business transactions that result in transfer of money's worth. So according to R.N. Carter, only those business transactions are recorded in the books of accounts which are related to money or money's worth, which means only monetary transactions are recorded in the books of accounts.